Stop like an elephant. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Kangaroo.
Jump, 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 jump nicely.
Jump.
Very good, Arjun. Good, Shravan. Come on, Gautam, Rishi, jump, jump, jump.
Jump like a kangaroo. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Crocodile. Snap, 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 like a crocodile. Snap, 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 like a crocodile. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time. Stop. Eagle.
Fly,
fly, fly, fly, like an eagle.
fly, fly, flap your fingers well.
Fly, 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 like an eagle. Stop. Come on, clap your hands. Come on, it's almost time.
Very good, children. That's a nice song. Please stop your place. Good evening, Lakshraj.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening. Good evening, Varnika.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, good evening, Adya. Okay. Please come and sit in your place. I just join this. Okay, so quickly we'll mark our attendance and we'll start, okay? Okay, so the next week talk time, as I already said, this week talk time, Dayanand and Arjun. Okay, Dayanand is going to do on float and sing. Arjun will do on flightless bird and flying bird. Okay, this Friday. Okay. Adya, Arav, Akshar, Arjun, Dayanand, Gautam, Gautam Rishi,
Ma'am.
Prithvi,
Here I am, ma'am.
Jai Krish, Kaushik, Kavin, Kumara Gurupran, Akshita. Who is that? Here I am. Oh, Kumara Gurupran, you have joined. Good evening, Kumara Gurupran. Okay, Lakshita. No, okay. Lakshraj.
Here I am, ma'am.
Okay. Lakshita. Lakshita. Sorry.
Here I am, ma'am.
Satvik.
We have called
Here I am, ma'am. Here.
Nivin Surya.
Here I am, ma'am.
Roshan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Mahaswin. Dayan. Sai Charan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Izan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Shiva.
Karuma, ma'am.
Shravan.
Here I am, ma'am.
Putra, you and Sai.
Here I am, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I Kavin, ma'am.
Kavin, you joined. Okay. I'll change it.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yes, good evening. Who is that?
Ryan, ma'am.
Okay, good evening, Rayan. I'm changing it. Give me a minute. Okay. So shall we start singing the rhyme? So we're going to start with come on everybody. Okay. Say the odd numbers that we know. Okay. I want all of you to first sit straight and then do actions and sing with me. No talking, Ryan. We are going to start the class. It's already 2:16. Okay. Please sit straight. Sachiran, if you want to say something, you can unmute. Otherwise, please stay on mute. It shows me like you are unmute. No. Okay. Sorry, Sachiran. Okay. Come on, everybody. Say the even numbers that we know. That we know. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. The even numbers that we know. Come on, everybody. Say the odd numbers that we know. That we know. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The odd numbers that we know. Okay, then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday is the last to come. Days of the week are now all done. Then I like my pencil. I like my pencil. But it's blunt. But it's blunt. Sharpen with the sharpener. Sharpen with the sharpener. Now it's sharp. Now it's not blunt. Kavin, I didn't ask you to take the workbook. I asked you to sing the rhyme with the actions. Why did you take your workbook? Okay. So rhyme time is over. Okay. So last 2 weeks back, what all we saw? We saw from the beginning. I'm starting. We saw about domestic animals, wild animals, the animals which stay at home and helping us are domestic animals. Wild animals, they stay in forests. That we saw. We saw about endangered animals, extinct animals. Okay. Then we saw birds. We saw parts of the birds. We saw flying birds, flightless birds. This Friday, when Arjun gives a talk time, you'll all be able to recall that. Okay. Then we saw, what did we saw? Yeah, we saw animal habitats. Can anybody name the animal habitats that we saw?
Region. Polar region. Rainforest. Rainforest.
Only one at a time. Yes, rainforest, polar region, desert,
Grassland.
Why is everybody unmuting? I just asked you to raise your hand. No, please raise your hand. I'll ask you. I will ask you. Please raise your hand. Don't unmute. Sai Chiran, why did you unmute? I'll come to each one of you. Okay, I'll give chance. Yes, Lakshraj. I saw you raising your hand. Tell me.
Polar region,
Hmm.
desert, rainforest. Okay.
Oh. Okay, polar region, desert, grasslands, rainforest. Okay, children, I want you to say whatever you know. Don't get help from anybody. Tell me whatever you remember. Okay, yes, Aicharan.
Polar region, rainforest, desert, grassland.
Very good, Aicharan. Yes, you have to. Very good, but you have to wait for your turn. Okay. Yes, anybody else? I can see Aravaksha jumping, not raising a hand. So let me move on. Yes, Shravan.
Grassland. Polar region, rainforest.
Okay, that's it.
Yes.
Desert. Okay, Shravan. Good. Yes, Gautam Rishi.
Polar region,
Loudly say, ma'am, can't hear you.
polar region, rainforest, grassland.
Another one?
Grassland.
Okay. Ma'am, able to hear you or not?
I'm able to hear. Yeah, why are you tired? I want you to speak louder with confidence. Don't be polar region. No, grasslands. The one is going people by word. Good, Gautam Rishi. Yeah, Shiva.
Please tell him to talk loudly, ma'am.
That's what. Yeah, Gautam. Did you see how Radha ma'am is talking? You can just sit at your home. You can hear my voice. I'm screaming, no, like that. I don't want you to scream, okay? But you have to talk loud and clear, okay? Only if you talk loud and clear, people will listen to your answer and it will be very clear for them, okay? Can you say one time?
Say
Just
one
tell
more
me one habitat, loud and clear.
Polar region,
Open your mouth and talk loud and clear.
polar region,
Yeah, like that, okay? Open your mouth and talk.
grassland,
One more. One more.
desert,
Another one.
rainforest,
Very good.
Very good.
and
That's what you should say. Okay, next time when I ask you, I want you to open your mouth and talk loud and clear like this. Yeah, Shiva. Habitats. Yes, ma'am. What is ma'am?
habitat,
You raise your hand, no, for animal habitats. Tell me.
habitats is grassland,
Look at me.
and
Thank you, Shiva. Nivin Surya.
grassland, rainforest, polar region.
Okay, very good. Okay, so this. Yes, Roshan.
I want to say
Yes, yes. I said yes. Please go ahead. Tell me.
grassland, desert, rainforest, polar region.
Good, Roshan. Okay. For others, I'll get the chance for the next task, next activity we are doing. Okay. So we learned about habitats last week. This week, you know what we are going to learn? Close your eyes. I'm going to show you a picture and you're going to guess. Okay, close your eyes. Let me show you the picture. And I don't want all of you to scream. I'll ask them. Okay, you're going to tell me, guess what we are going to learn this week. Close your eyes, Sai Charan. Sai Charan, you're not at all listening to me, Sai Charan. Yeah, open your eyes, children. Okay, let me ask Adya.
Vehicles, ma'am.
Yeah, transport, vehicles. We are going to learn about vehicles transport this week. Aeroplane flying in the sky, air transport. This one, rail in the tracks, train on the tracks, car on the road transport, ship will sail in the water, so water transport. We're going to learn about, good guess, very good Adya. We're going to learn about vehicles and transport this week. Okay, so are you all ready to learn that? Yes. Okay, I'm going to show you a short story. With that story, we are going to learn the transport. Okay. Today we are going to learn about land transport. Okay. So when I say transport, why do we need transport? Why do we need transport? Say I want to go to my friend's house, next house. I can go by walk. Okay. If I want to go to school, if my school is very nearby, I can go by walk. But if my school is very far away, how will I go? I cannot walk for long distance. I can walk for a short distance. For a long distance, I cannot walk. So I need some vehicle or transport to carry me and go. In long days, no, before long years ago, there were no transport. So what will people do? People only will walk and go. What they'll do? They'll carry all the foods, what all things they need. They'll walk even for 5 to 10 days if they want to go for from here to little far place also. But now we have got many types of transport. Shravan, look here. What are you doing there? We have got lot of transport. We have got bus, car, truck. If you want to go little far, we have got train. If you want to go even more far, we have got aeroplanes. If we have to cross some rivers or some oceans, we have boats, ships. So that's what transports are used for. When we want to travel, when we want to move from one place to another, we use transport. Okay, so when you want to go to park nearby, what will you do? If it's nearby, sometimes you will walk, or what you will do, if you have your cycle, if you know to ride your cycle, you'll take your cycle and go, isn't it? Yes, so transport is used for moving from one place to another easily and also in a short time. Okay, if I walk, it will take me 1 hour or 2 hours. If I go in a cycle or bike, it will take less hours. So that is what transport is used for. So this week, we are going to see about 3 types of transport: land, air, and water. And today, we are going to see land transport. In junior KG itself, you would have learned all the transport, land transport. So we are going to see very detailed in different type of land transport which you don't know so far. I hope so. Okay, this short story will help you to learn that transport. Ready to see the story, children? Yes, Arav is ready. Yes. Okay, are you able to see my screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so there was a boy named Ronnie. Okay, this red color boy who's sitting behind this big back seat, no, red color shirt. This boy name is Ronnie, and he got a car. This car name is Kathy. This car name is Kathy. One time, what happened? Ronnie and his father, mother, they went to a big forest. They wanted to go on a trekking, and they went deep into the forest, and they're coming back home. They did trekking, climbing the mountains, and then they're coming back home. Well, they're coming back, you see, it's raining outside, right? What is the weather today, children? Is it hot outside in your place? No, it's raining, it's cloudy, it's grooming like anything, it's raining, not even drizzling, right? So even when Ron is returning back home in his car, the car name is Kathy. Okay, Kathy. So when he was returning the car, it was lot of rain. See, there is thunder there, lot of rain. So what happened? Suddenly, there was a rock rolling from the mountain, and it fell on the road. See, big rock. What is a rock? When it is small, we call it as a stone. When it is a big stone, we call it as a rock. Okay, we call it as a rock. This one brown color, no, this one big stone. It is called a rock. This rock rolled over from the mountain and it fell on the way the car is going. And see, there are cracks in the road. There is a big crack in the road. Luckily, it fell before the car. It didn't fall on the car. If it had fell on the car, what would have happened? The car would have crashed. Luckily, it fell in front of the car. So Katie stopped the car. The car, Katie, no, it is the car name. It stopped, and Roni's father, mother, they got down out of the car. They were little afraid and they were like shocked to see such a big rock blocking their way. So how can the car go? Can the car go now? Kumara Guruparan. Can the car go now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can the car go now? There is a rock in the way now. How can the car go?
No.
No. Why the car cannot go?
Standing.
Hmm?
Standing.
The car is standing. Why it cannot go? There is a big rock on the way. Okay.
Meet.
Yeah, there's a big rock in the way, so the car cannot go. So Roni is little scared. If it's getting dark, then he's very scared. So he's telling his friend, Katie, find out some way. Get the stone out of our way. We have to go home fast. So Katie, thank you, Kumara Gurban. So Katie is thinking, what shall I do now? Kumara Gurban, thank you, Kumara Gurban, and you can stay on mute. So Katie is thinking, I know many friends. I will call my friends. So Katie is calling his friends. How does he call? He doesn't have a phone. So Katie is giving a horn in his car. Big horn sound. So all his friends there, yellow color, you see small yellow color, those are Katie's friends. They all heard the horn sound. They all came rushing now. First, you know who came? Crane. His name is Coco. The crane name is Coco. Yellow color crane. He came fast. He came and asked Katie, what happened? Katie said, see, my friend Roni, he was sitting in the car. We were coming from the forest. Suddenly, a rock rolled on from the mountain. It blocked our way, so we cannot go. Okay. So Crane said, Coco said, don't worry, I will move. So they tied a rope in around the rock. Okay. And Katie, the crane, what did it do? It lifted the rock. It lifted the rock and moved it out of the way. What the crane do, Coco the crane? It lifted the rock and moved it. What is the name of this crane, Shravan?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the name of this crane? Coco the crane. Okay.
Coca crane.
What is the name of this red color car? Katie. Katie. Okay. So they moved out of the way. Crane moved out of the way, and you know what this bulldozer do? This is bulldozer. Okay. This bulldozer name is Dodo. Dodo the bulldozer. It broke the big rock into small stones. See, small. It broke it, and this one is a front loader. This was a front loader. It collected all the stones and moved the way for the car to go. So first the crane lifted the rock. Bulldozer broke the rock. Front loader moved the rock, small pieces out of the way. Okay. Next. So now the road is clear. But what happened? The road is broken now, right? So they cannot go in this with this broken road. So two people came. The blue color, no, this is called cement mixer. Cement mixture. Okay. And this yellow one is called road roller. Road roller. Okay. So the cement mixer, it put gravel, cement, all, and it made a mixture and gave it to the person there. Then road roller, with the help of road roller, they corrected the road. Okay, so now there are no cracks in the road. Then now Katie is ready to go. So Roni sat into the car happily and they are going back home. Okay, to recall, understood children? Let me come back to you. Understood? Like the story? Okay, so recall, we'll just list out all the friends of Katie. Okay, one more time. Please listen. We're going to do the worksheet based on this. That's why I'm showing you. Okay, first one is a crane. Crane, it will have a hook like this to carry and move the rock. Crane, Coco the crane. Next, bulldozer, Dodo the bulldozer. This one is a bulldozer. What it will do? It will break the big rock into small stones. Then this is loader, front loader, or you can say it as loader. It will carry and move the stones. It will just pick up all the stones. Next one, blue color. This one is a cement mixer, and this one is a road roller. Okay, so Katie helped Roni get back home. So now we are going to do the worksheet based on this. So these are the 5 land or road transport, you can say, we will be learning this week. Okay, so previously you would have learned car, bus, truck. That's all you would have learned when you were in junior KG. Cycle, lorry, all those. But now we are going to learn all these 5. Okay, crane will carry the rock and move it. Next, bulldozer will break it. It will have like this nails, big nails. It will break all the rocks into small stones. Front loader, it will have like this shovel. When you go to beach, when you make a sand castle, you will take a shovel, what do you call, handle shovel, shovel, yeah, that one. When you go to sand play, you will have that. Like that, front loader will take that and put it away, clear the road. Cement mixture and road roller will help to make the road perfect. Okay, if the road was broken, road roller and cement mixture will help to correct the road. Okay, so now we are going to do the worksheet. Please take out your worksheet. It's day 91 CT worksheet. Day 91 CT worksheet.
Ma'am, I found it out.
Very good. Yes, the same one, Shiva. Please write your name in the worksheet, children, at the bottom. Put today's date. We are on the 16th November. We are in 16th November.
Where is it, ma'am?
Please write your name. Put today's date as 16/11/2020. 16/11/2020.
Number is Lakshita.
What are you doing so long, Lakshita? I told you it's day 91 CT. I'm showing you the worksheet, Lakshita. Day 91 CT worksheet. I'm showing you. See. Let me know if you didn't find it out yet. Okay. You found out, Lakshita? Everybody wrote the name and date, children?
No, ma'am, I don't found out, ma'am.
Lakshita, what workbook you're having? Are you having the new one?
Three books, ma'am. Three.
Okay. Do you have day 91 there? Go to the first page. I'll just get the book. Wait. Give me a minute. No, I don't have it here. Tell me, Lakshita. Go to 91, dear. 9191. Go to 9191. Others, please, if you have written your name and date, we'll start the worksheet. First one. First one, it's like rolling, no? Road roller. Road roller. R O A D R O L L E R. Road roller. Road roller. So I'm showing the spelling here. The spelling is also at the top here. First one is road roller. So write R is here. O is here. Now we have to write A. A. T is here. R is here. O. L. L. E. This dash is given for space. Okay, you don't have to write anything here. This is, you don't have to write anything. This is given for space. Okay. R O A D R O L L E R. Road roller. First one. Found out, Lakshita? Okay.
S.
You have to tell me, dear. Okay. Please write your name and date. Next one. Cement mixture. Cement mixer. So cement. C is here. What is next one? E. Write E here. E. M is here. E is here. N. We have to write N. Write N. Cement. M. I. M is here. I is here. You have to write X. 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 Then E. Cement mixer. This is round one. If you see it is mixer. Okay, cement mixer. Lakshita, my voice is echoing, dear. You want to ask something? If not, please stay on mute, Lakshita. Next one is loader. Okay, loader. This one, loader. L O A D E R. Loader. Front loader. This will only carry the things, whatever is broken, remove it from the way. This one, bulldozer. I told you it will have nail kind of and will break all the things. Okay, bulldozer. B U L L D O Z E R. Bulldozer. The last one, the one which has hook. Hook to lift things. Crane. Crane. C R A N E. Crane. All are right.
Ma'am, can you show the last?
Yes, I will. Yes, yes. Sure. Yeah, yeah. Give me a minute.
Yes, ma'am. Now you could change.
Okay. Okay. If you finish, show me thumbs up. Okay. Yes. I can see Nivin Surya. Okay, Nivin Surya. Okay, Gautam Rishi. What happened, Shiva? Why are you crying? Don't cry. Aravakshat finished? Aravakshat, can you hear me? You're talking nicely there. Yes, you have finished. Just show me thumbs up. That's what I'm asking you. Yes.
I finish.
Arjun finished?
Yes, ma'am. Finish.
Okay. Then let me ask like this. Who else haven't finished? I'll just come and see. What happened to pin? I don't know. Haven't finished? Satvik finished, Satvik? Okay. Thank you, Satvik. Rayan finished? Why is everybody crying today? Don't cry, Rayan. Be happy. Don't cry. Cheer up. Kumaraguran finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Finished, Varnika? Okay. New dress, Varnika? Okay. Okay, so we'll move on to the next worksheet then, children. Quickly, we're going to move on to the next worksheet. So this one is done. Okay. For that, I've got few words. Okay. I want all of you to keep the worksheet down and listen to me. I don't want any worksheets now. Yes, Dayanand is finished. Okay. So when I say you can take a worksheet, now I don't want any worksheets. Okay. Aravakshat, why are you rolling in on the floor during classroom? All your friends are watching you. And moreover, in the classroom, you cannot do like that. From class beginning, I'm telling you, Aravakshat. So, want to sit properly.
Sorry, ma'am.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. So, first, we are going to see IP words. Okay. IP, IP. IP. I sound is E. P sound is P. IP, IP words. Okay. IP is IP. I in is in. IP, IP. Are you all listening? I see many of you looking down. I don't know what you're looking down. I want all of you to keep the worksheet aside. I just want all of you to listen to Radha ma'am. I can see Lakshraj, Gautam Rishi, Shravan, Shiva, Arjun, Aravakshat listening to me. Arjun, I'm sorry, Roshan, have you still finished the worksheet, Arjun, Roshan? Finished it? Okay. Then can you listen here? Okay, first one we are going to learn is, we already learned A words and E words. Okay, A sound is a. E sound is a elephant, Edwards, N words we learned. Now we are going to recall I sound is igloo, E. Okay, so I, P, ip. I want all of you to open your mouth and say I, P, ip. I, N, in. I, N, in. So we're going to study ip words and in words today. Okay, I, P, ip, I, N, in. Okay, first one. L, ip, lip, lip. S, ip, sip. T, ip, tip. Ip, nip. So ip words. Now in words, I and in. Ba in, bin. Ta in, tin. Fin. K sound is in, kin. Okay, so we revised in words, ip ip words. Okay, so now we are going to do the worksheet. I'm going based on this. Okay, so let me call UN side.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this UN side.
L-I-P. Let.
Huh?
Ip.
Ip.
Lip.
Very good. Izan.
La.
Yes, ma'am. बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this.
See, देखो. Read the letters.
S.
Mm.
I.
Mm.
P.
Mm.
SIP.
Sip.
Skip.
Sip.
Sip.
तेजान. जोर से बोलो.
Sip.
Sip.
Dayanand.
SIP.
Dayanand.
T-I-P.
Ip.
Tip.
Very good. Kavin.
Yes, ma'am.
Read this, Kavin.
தெரியல மேம் மேம் கொஞ்சம் தூக்கி காட்ட சொல்றா
Are you able to see my screen?
நோ மேம்
No, ma'am.
கொஞ்சம் லிட்டில் பட் கொஞ்சம் பவசியா NIP
Nip.
Nip. Gautam Rishi.
T-I-P. Tip.
Very good. Shravan.
Yes, ma'am. K
Mm.
I
Mm.
N.
Louder. K-I-N.
Ka in. Ka in.
Kin.
Kin. Satvik. Satvik. Read this.
B. 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 E. Bin.
Ba I in. Win. Very good, Satvik. Rayan.
I-N-N.
No. Look properly.
I.
No, is that I? Ah.
F.
Mm.
I.
Mm.
N.
Mm. What is this? In. In.
Fin.
Fin. What is fin? You know what is fin, Rayan?
Yes, ma'am. Fish will have fin in their side.
Correct. Fish will have fins. Very good. Super, Rayan. Very good. Roshan. Very good, Roshan. Perfect. Kumara Guruparan. Kumara Guruparan. Quickly, children. I call out your name. You have to read it.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Read this, Kumara Guruparan. Can you see my screen? No. Let me pin and
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
Yeah, visible. Read this.
Ma'am.
Kumara Guruparan. Kumara Guruparan. First, read this. Please unmute and read this, Kumara Guruparan. Read the letters. T.
Ma'am, you're not able to see me. Ma'am.
You're not able to see my screen. I pinned and see it was visible.
Ma'am, you're not.
Nivin Surya, can you see my screen, Nivin Surya?
Ma'am, it is visible to us.
Yeah, it's visible for others, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
It's tin, okay? Kumara Guruparan. T-I-N. I'm showing T-I-N, tin. Okay, I'm moving to Nivin Surya. Nivin Surya, can you read this, Nivin Surya?
Yes, ma'am.
Read this. What letter I'm showing you?
T-A-B.
What? Nivin Surya, listen to what I'm showing you. Read this. F.
Yeah. Ma'am. Name. Yeah. M.
Is this E? The sound is E. This is I, right? F-I-N. E-N. Fin.
Fin.
Okay. Lakshraj.
T-I-N-T. B-I-N-B.
Bin. Good. Shiva.
Tin.
Very good, Shiva. You're okay now?
T.
10. Very good. Varnika, read this.
It.
T.
Tip.
Tip. Very good. Ritvik,
Yeah, ma'am.
read this.
It. Sip.
Very good. Super. Sip. It's not sir, it's is. Okay. Sip. Sai Charan.
Ma'am.
Good, Ritvik. Sai Charan.
Yes. Na. Na. E. Na. E.
Hmm. P.
P.
Na ip. Na ip.
Nip.
Nip. Very
Nip.
good. Yes, Adya.
Tip.
Tip. Good. Rival it is Adya.
Yes.
Nice. Arjun.
No, ma'am.
Arjun.
P.
Mm.
P.
Mm.
N. I.
Mm.
I.
Mm.
E. E. B. I. B. I. B.
B E D N. Mm.
Pin.
Ben. Very good, Arjun. Good. Akshat.
Chin.
Kin. Good. Arav.
Fin.
Very good, children. Very, very good. Kumaram, that's okay. You had network problem, no problem. Now, can you see me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read now, Kumaragurupran?
Yes.
Yeah, read this. This one.
I. F.
No, you have to read. I don't want anybody to help you. You have to read.
I. F. Nip.
வளரக்கூடாது ஏன் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர் என்ன பாரு
N.
ஃபர்ஸ்ட் லெட்டர்
I'm showing you. Kumaraguru, just follow my instruction. Only then I'm going to show you the word. I just want you to read individually.
N.
Letter I'm showing you, dear. What letter I'm showing you?
என்ன லெட்டர் இது
Is it F? Okay. What is this letter?
I.
Very good. What is this letter?
N.
Very good. What is the sound of F?
F.
Okay. What is the sound of I? E. Igloo. E.
E. E. Glue.
What is the sound of N?
In.
Ah. In. In. Join and tell me. In.
Fin.
In. Fin. Very good. Okay. So quickly we're going to do the worksheet. Please take out your worksheet, children. It's day 91 PH worksheet. Lekshita, I repeat, it's day 91 PH worksheet. Lekshita, can you please take it? I'm showing you the worksheet. Day 91. 9191 PH worksheet. Are you there, Lekshita? I didn't see you when you were reading the words. Then she left out. Okay. Others, please take out the worksheet. Day at 191 PH worksheet. Everybody took the worksheet.
Ma'am, we have it as T96 PH worksheet.
You don't have?
I have
different for you?
But it tells 93 pH worksheet.
Show me the worksheet what you're having. Show me. Okay, no problem. It's a date is different. No problem. The same worksheet. Yeah, the one you're having. Very good, Sai Chiran. Please write your name and date. For me, it is 91. Maybe it's different for you there. But you have the worksheet, no? Please write your name and date there. Quickly, children. I want to do this worksheet because as soon as you learn, when you do this worksheet, you will get, you will remember it. For,
Ma'am, we don't have the
it seems it is on a different date, ma'am. That's what Saichar is showing me. Can you just check if it's on some different date?
Okay, ma'am.
Saichar, you had it under 90, dear. What date did you have, Saicharan?
96 pH worksheet.
96. Okay, thank you, Saicharan. Thank you so much. Yeah, it seems it's under 96. Day 96 pH. You have? Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much, Saicharan. That was great help. Okay, so quickly we're going to do, I think almost everybody have the worksheet. First one, color the pictures ending with IP. Okay, so now we are going to circle it with pencil. You're going to color it later, children. Okay, we are going to color the pictures which are ending with IP words. We learned now sip, tip, nip, all those. The first one is rat. So okay, what is spelling of rat? At. It is not ending with IP, so we should not circle this. Next one, what is this? Zip, z. So Z, ip sound is IP. So this is ending with ip. So now you can circle it. You can color it later at home. Okay. So zip is an IP word. Next one, star. Roshan is having in his dress the spelling for star. S-T-R-A-R. This is not ending with IP. So we should not circle this. Next one is a pencil. But they are put arrow near this. So the pencil, the end, the lead, that is called tip of the pencil. So tip, T-I-P, tip. So we should circle this pencil and color this pencil later. Are you all following me? You don't have an event to do it now. You can listen and you can do it later too. But I want you to listen first, understand this concept. Okay, we are going to color and circle the words of the pictures which are ending with IP words. Okay. So next, so rat, I repeat, rat, AT word. So we should not color it. Next one is zip, ip. So ZIP, ip. Star, STAR, star. This pencil, they have put the arrow here near the tip of the pencil. Tip, tip. So T, ip. So IP, ip. So we're going to color the pencil and the zip later. Next one, color the pictures ending in words. In. We saw no bin, tin, fin, pin, all those. So first one is, what is the first one? Let me ask Satvik, what is the first one, Satvik? Are you able to hear me?
Cat, ma'am.
Cat. Yeah, cat. What is cat spelling?
C-A-T, cat.
Yeah, is it ending with IN?
No.
Is it ending? No, so we should not color this. Okay. Next one, let me ask Yuvan Sai. What is this, Yuvan Sai? Okay, so what is spelling for bin? Bin.
Ayat what?
B
B
I
I
N.
N.
In. Bin. So we
Bin.
should circle this and color this later.
The. Okay, ma'am.
Okay, one side. Next, Varnika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what is this?
Fish.
Fish. Where is the arrow for the fish? Here, no? Do you see arrow here?
Yes.
What is this?
Fish.
Fish, okay. What is this? This one. Fish will have no for swimming. What is that called? Fin. What is that called?
Fin.
Fin. Ryan said no. Fin.
Fin.
In. Fin. You didn't listen that time. Ryan was saying no. Fin. Fish used. It is with a fish. Fin.
Fin. Fin.
Fin. Fin.
Fin. Fin.
Okay, Varnika. Shravan.
Pin. Pin.
Very good. Perfect. Yes, it's a pin. P-I-N. Pin. Pin. So write P-I-N. It's an inward. So we have to color it.
Okay.
Thank you, Shravan. Okay, now, Shiva, give me one ip word, Shiva. Any ip word. We learned so many, I showed you, sip, tip, lip, nip. Tell me one ip word.
Dip. Dip.
Spelling. Spell it out.
P.
நிப்புக்கு ஸ்பெல்லிங் சொல்லுன்னு சொல்றாங்க.
Nip. E.
ப்ரொனவுன்ஸ் பண்ண சொல்லல, ஸ்பெல்லிங் IP அந்த மாதிரி ஸ்பெல்லிங்.
I. P.
P. That's it. Nip. Okay. Thank you, Shiva. Nivin Sura, can you tell me one word ending with in? Nivin Surya, are you there? Dayanand, can you tell me one word with in, Dayanand, please?
Fin.
Spelling.
F-I-N. Fin.
Very good. Thank you, Dan. F-I-N. Fin. You can write any of your favorite words, children. I just wrote nip and pin. You can write on your own. Are you all with me? Are you all finishing with me? Good. You colored it, Dayanand. Very good, Dayanand.
Thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, I colored it too.
Very good, Sai Charan. Arjun finished? Those who have finished, the class is over, children. Okay, on Thursday, I want all of you to bring any one transport, either land or water or air. Okay, and tell me what is it? Is it a land or water? Just one line. Quickly, we'll do as an activity on Thursday. Today is Monday. On Thursday, we'll do an activity on transport. If you don't have, no problem. You don't have to travel. Those who are having, you can bring any one transport. Show to all your friends and tell us what is the type of transport, whether it is land or air or water. Okay? So if I forgot on Thursday, you're going to remind me, ma'am, today we have the activity of transport. Finished, everyone? Those who have finished, you can leave the class. The class is over for today. Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you. Bye, ma'am.